Hi, this is Dave, and we're putting together a brisket for the holidays in the traditional Judeo-Christian method, if you will. Just like steaks, you want to have it properly spiced with the ingredients. Salt is a key ingredient, and we will put salt on a meat that's been brought to room temperature, and we will let it sit for at least 42 minutes before putting it in the refrigerator, because you want to make sure that the salt gets absorbed into the meat. Because if you put it into the refrigerator too soon, then the salt will not get absorbed because a barrier gets created in the meat. So it's much more effective to let the salt sit in the meat for 42 minutes, then you can put it in the fridge. So here we go. Make sure it gets covered all over. And get the salt on all over the place. Okay, then you let it sit for at least 42 minutes. Put it in the fridge. Tomorrow we'll take the next step. Good morning, this is Dave, and we're ready for the next step to get the brisket into the oven. First, we're going to do 3 to 4 minutes on each side of the brisket to sear it. So before we bake the meat, we're going to prepare some spices to put on it. So when it goes into the oven, it all gets absorbed in. Now we're going to get the pan ready to sear the meat. Remember, just a couple of minutes on each side just to give it a nice covering. Now the cooktop's ready, temperature's all set. I'm going to stick this on. So now we're going to preheat the oven to 275, and it's going to cook slow for 6 hours to make it nice and tender. Now we put some of the sauce into the pan where it's going to bake, cook all day. Have all the juices going. And now we're ready to put it in the oven. And now we're going to cover it up. It's 1 o'clock, just took it out of the oven, and I'm ready for a taste. This is like coming apart beautifully. This is brisket. Oh, perfect. Really nice. Hi everyone, it's Dave, and this is the day after Christmas, and I'm about to plunge into some leftovers. It was fantastic having the family over. There's nothing better than having friends and family over for the holiday dinner. And now I've got everything ready for the best part. And now we're enjoying leftovers, the best part of every holiday meal. Mazel tov. Oh my gosh. There's a flavoring in here that I just cannot place. It's really nice. Homemade holly. My wife went to a little get together and she learned how to make holly, and now I benefit. Nice and light with a flavor that cannot be beaten. Thank you.